Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up your new Fitbit profile with a new Google account. Now, to do this is very simple because you see, as of early 2025, new Fitbit users are required to set up their profiles using a Google account. This is part of Google's integration of Fitbit services. If you're a new user and have a new Google account ready, here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up your new Fitbit profile. First thing you need to do is download and install the Fitbit app. So you can go to the Google Play Store for Android devices or App Store for iPhone devices. Search for Fitbit, download and install the official Fitbit app. Next, you're going to open the Fitbit app and choose to sign in with Google. Now, I've opened it, I've done that, I've downloaded it, and I want to use my Google account. Now, you'll be given these two options, sign in with Google or sign in with Fitbit. Now, as a new user, you're required to use a Google account, so click on sign in with Google. Now, you have to select your new Google account. Now, this is my new Google account, as you can see. So, normally you'll be given a list of Google accounts already signed in on your phone. Select the new Google account you want to use for your Fitbit profile. If the new Google account is not listed, you might need to select add another account. You see at the bottom of the list, you see add another account there. And then you sign in with your new Google account credentials. Now, let's sign in with this. Continue. So now I'm in. But in case you don't get here, the next thing you might see might be authorized Fitbit to access your Google account. Now you will likely see a screen explaining the Fitbit needs access to certain information from your Google account to set up your profile. Review the information and tap continue or allow to grant necessary permission. So once you've done that, the app will then guide you through creating your Fitbit profile. I have created a profile where that's why it's just opened up to the app, to the dashboard. Normally, it will guide you through how to create your profile and to involve you providing basic information to personalize your fitness tracking, such as your name. But your name might be prefilled from your Google account, but you might be able to adjust how it appears, your date of birth, your gender, height, and your weight. Then you'll be asked to review and agree to the terms and privacy policy. So once you agree to this, you may be given options to subscribe to emails about Fitbit updates, promotions, or research opportunity. Select your preferences. You can usually change this later on your Fitbit profile settings. So once you've done that, you might also be asked if you want to contribute to health data for research and developmental purpose. You can choose to agree or decline this option. The next thing you're going to see after providing all this necessary information and agreeing to the terms, your new profile will be linked to a new Google account and to be created. It's as simple as that. Now, after creating your profile, the app will prompt you to set up your new Fitbit device if you have one. Now, follow the on-screen instruction. In case it doesn't do that, you can do it from here. Just tap on the top here, and you will see connect to Fitbit, so you can sync the phone here. And if you want to disconnect, you can connect now. You can see mine is already synced. So if you want to add a device, you can add device here. You can set up Health Connect here. But just tapping on this option at the left corner, top left corner. Now, this usually involves ensuring your device is charged and nearby and confirming a code shown on your Fitbit device within the app, as is if you want to sync it. Now, once you've done this, you have successfully set up your new Fitbit profile using your new Google account. Your health and activity data will be associated with this Google account. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.